Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Upgraded Than Yesterday. Today we are going to learn about the differences between future and completable future in Java with examples. What is future in Java? The future is an interface used to represent the result of asynchronous computation. It was introduced with Java 5 release. With future, we can submit a task and get a future object. We can check if it is done. We can block the current executing thread and get the result using get method. But there are problems with future, like we cannot chain multiple tasks together. We cannot combine multiple futures together. The get method, which blocks the current executing thread until the result is ready. Also, it does not support any built-in callbacks. Let's understand the written code. Here an executor service object is created and executed submit method. Inside the submit method, the call method of callable interface is executed using lambda expression, which returns a value 10. As we know, future is nothing but an interface to represent the result of asynchronous computation. So here the get method is called on the future object, which returns the computed value 10. At the end, the executor service has been shut down. It is needed to avoid running executor service indefinitely, which may cause memory leaks or JVM failure. Now let's understand what is completable future in Java. The definition is same as future. It is nothing but a class to represent the result of asynchronous computation. But one major difference between future and completable future is the future is an interface with limited capabilities. But completable future is a class which has implemented both future as well as completion stage interface, which makes completable future more capable than the future interface. The completable future was introduced with Java 8 release. It was released mainly to overcome the problems there with the future interface. With completable future, the executing thread doesn't get blocked. It can perform other tasks simultaneously. The completable future allows to perform method chaining, which is not possible with future. The completable future allows to combine multiple completable future together, again which is not possible with future. It supports callback style programming. Let's understand the written code. Unlike future interface, it does not use executor service for multithreading. It uses fork join pull. The completable future has a static method called supply async, which helps to create task. Inside this method, the call method of callable interface is executed using lambda expression, which returns a value 10. Look carefully. Here multiple methods, then apply, then accept methods are chained together to modify and print the final result. This is one of the major difference between future and completable future. Now let's understand the key differences between future and completable future. The first difference, blocking versus non-blocking. When the get method of future is called, it blocks the execution of current executing thread until the result from the future object is ready. Hence, the future is blocking. But the completable future is using callable mechanism. The then accept method never blocks the execution of current executing thread. Hence, the completable future is non-blocking. Second difference, method chaining. This we have seen already with example that the future does not support method chaining, but the completable future does, as it implements completion stage interface. Third difference, manual completion. A feature cannot be marked complete once it is submitted to an executor service. The process has to wait until the result is computed or it is failed. But the completable future has provided a method complete, which allows to resolve the completable future whenever needed. This method helps to complete the task with a default value to avoid waiting for result forever. Fourth difference, exception handling. There is no built-in mechanism provided by Future to handle exceptions internally. Every exception that is thrown by the Future has to be handled externally by using either try catch or by throws keyword. But the completable Future has provided many built-in methods such as exceptionally, handle, and when complete to handle the exceptions. That's all for this video. I hope you liked this video and were able to learn something new. Until the next video, take care, bye bye, and thank you for staying with me.